Hi, I'm Todd Carlson, Regional Service Manager for Bay & Bay, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new Espar controller we have for the Espar heater in our newer truck. We just came across a new controller in the truck, so I want to run through it with you so you have a good idea how to operate it. Right now it's off, and all you have to do is you see it's in the off mode. It's on heat mode, but it's currently off. Put the temperature, and you can crank that temp up right here if you select temp. Whatever you want it at, you can bring it back down, and it'll initiate the heat on the Espar as soon as you have it in that mode right there, depending on what the temperature is inside the cab. When you first do it, if you crank it up, she should fire. Hit enter. After you hit the temperature, it'll tell you got 600 minutes of runtime. That's 10 hours. The heat's flashing right here, and you got a red circle around that dial. That means the heat's on. Press it again. Now it says off. Now the heat's off. It does have a menu mode in here, so let's say you go over here to that circle, looks like a gear. Hit the gear, and it has a couple features on here. One of them's Fahrenheit and Celsius. Right now I have it on Fahrenheit, but if you for some reason want Celsius, do a circle, it does Celsius. Now it's in Celsius mode. Don't be afraid to push some buttons and learn the equipment when you get into your trucks. You got plenty of time when you're sitting around. It won't hurt anything to hit a button to do a little research. There's plenty of stuff on YouTube as well besides what I'm putting out there. So be safe out there, and we'll talk to you next time.